Dhritarashtra said, O Sanjay, after assembling in the place of pilgrimage at Kurukshetra and desiring to fight, what did my people and the Pandavas do? Sanjay said, O king, after seeing your army, the sons of Pandu, led by Bhima, Yudhishthira, and Arjuna, arrayed for battle, approached your son, Duryodhana. And then, O king, Arjuna, the son of Pandu, seeing your sons and his own kinsmen arrayed for battle, spoke to Krishna, the driver of his chariot, the following words. Arjuna said, O Krishna, seeing my friends and kinsmen arrayed for battle, my limbs sink down and my mouth becomes dry, and my body trembles, and my hair stands on end. And, O Krishna, my bow Gandiva slips from my hand, and my skin burns all over. I am unable to stand here, and my mind is in confusion as if it were reeling. And, O Krishna, I see omens of evil, portending the destruction of the family, and I do not see any good in killing my kinsmen in battle. O Krishna, I do not desire victory, nor a kingdom, nor pleasures. What is the use of a kingdom, or enjoyment, or even life, O Krishna, to us, when all those for whom we may desire kingdom, enjoyments and pleasures are here arrayed for battle? O Krishna, they for whom we may desire victory, kingdom, and enjoyments, are standing here in battle, abandoning life and wealth. O Krishna, teachers, fathers, sons, and grandfathers, grandsons, fathers-in-law, and well-wishers, are seen here, O Krishna, arrayed for battle, ready to give up their lives and wealth. And, O Krishna, I see also in this army of the enemy, fathers-in-law, grandfathers, teachers, uncles, brothers, sons, and grandsons, as well as friends, O Krishna. I do not wish to kill them, O Krishna, not even for the sake of a kingdom, nay, not even for the sake of the pleasures and enjoyments of kingship. What is the use of a kingdom, or enjoyments, or even life, O Krishna, to us, when all those for whom we may desire kingdom, enjoyments, and pleasures, are here arrayed for battle? O Krishna, I have no desire for victory, nor for a kingdom, nor for pleasures. What should we do, O Krishna, in such a situation where all our enemies are standing before us? O Krishna, I am your devotee, and I am your friend, and I am placing myself under your protection. Please instruct me, for I do not know what is best for me. Krishna, the Lord, said, O Arjuna, you grieve for those who should not be grieved for, and yet speak words of wisdom. The wise grieve neither for the living nor for the dead. There was never a time when I, you, or these kings did not exist, nor shall we ever cease to exist in the future.